Good evening. I'm Michael Muturtur from Sangib City, Barangay Ono. Okay, I'm here now in Sangib City, Barangay Ono, ARCO, the competitions of the category, I think, B or C. Because the category 1 is, category E is the Christmas symbol. And then the category B is the ARCO. And the category C is the star. I don't know if I have mistaken. Okay? Ako din sa Barangay Ono, nag-game sila. So try to see what they doing here. Okay? That's it. Okay. Game sila. Lumabas sila kaon ng bread. Okay? Oh man. Ayaw lihok ka. That's it. Okay. Ayaw lihok ka. Baby, just wanna know now. Hey, dito may nag-games. Doon may nanonood. Doon may kumakanta. Mga bigatin sa Barangay Ono. Okay? Kasi doon doon kabila may star. Okay, try this. One more time. Sanggat gunit, mga chicks, turat, chicks food, garat, chicks, turaput, chicks food. Tura! Oy! Gwapo bay! Gwapo bay! Tura, chicks bay! Oy! Oy! Ang kinakusgang tayo sa Tanggob. Barangay. Okay? Nilang games, kaya mga na po ko. Kaya ito nila. Freaking Avril Lavigne! Stars are always close to me. That's it. We take over your mouth with a laugh. Dinner spy. Ito na ko. Bye-bye. Okay? Ito na ko. Kasan. Kapitan. Nothing confers you. Dito, may naigamayang kasayahan with the beer. Gold Eagle Bear. Si DY. Si Cheese Dude. Namoy YouTube. Tanaw niyo sa YouTube. To YouTube. Bye-bye. Adto na ko, amigo. So come on, let's play. Bye-bye. YouTube to YouTube.